One of parenthood's greatest pleasures is watching your toddler discover all the amazing things their body can do. And once they begin moving around on their own, there are some great activities to help foster motor development and strengthen hand-eye coordination. Stacking blocks is a great start. One of the biggest milestones for toddlers is, of course, their first steps. When your child begins to move around upright, they're bound to take a tumble, but don't rush to help them get up right away. Let them figure out how to hold themselves upright. Recovering from a little fall gives them added confidence and lets them discover their abilities on their own. Once they start getting the hang of it, go out and explore the neighborhood holding hands. Your toddler will quickly get used to wobbling along, and in just a short while, you'll be the one having to play catch up.